Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Docker is installed and running. This gives you the engine that builds and runs containers. Next, make a project directory and create a Docker file. This file declares the base image, working directory, and commands. Use a lightweight base like Alpine for small images or Node/Python when you need runtime. Once done, add your app files and a Docker ignore to keep the image lean. This reduces build time and avoids copying unnecessary files into the image. You now write the Docker file instructions that control image creation. Set workdir, copy your app, run install commands, and expose the port your app listens on. Then run docker build tmyapp, latest. To create the image, Docker executes each layer and caches results for faster rebuilds. If you need compiled artifacts, use multi-stage builds to compile in one stage and copy only the runtime artifacts into a slimmer final image, which keeps production images small and secure. You finish by running the container and validating behavior. Use docker run phost port, container port name to map ports and keep a predictable container name. Once running, test endpoints and inspect runtime with Docker logs and Docker execute to open a shell. This helps you diagnose missing files, permission issues, or environment variables. If it fails, verify Docker file commands, exposed ports, and that dependencies installed correctly. Make incremental fixes and rebuild to confirm the container behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.